All, welcome to my channel Programming with Vishnu. Today we are going to discuss another programming question in pre-programming series. Okay, what is the question? See here, check whether the two strings are anagram of each other. Means what is anagram? What is anagram? What is anagram means? Suppose consider there are two strings. There are two strings. First one is string 1. First one is First one is string 1, which is consider consider listen, listen, listen. Okay, the next string is silent, silent. Observe, when you will tell the two strings are anagram of each other, means when the characters in the strings, both are same, but order can be different. See, L is there at first, L is here third. Order can be different, but the both characters has to be the same. Suppose see here in the listen, what are the characters are there? L is there, L is there, I is there, I is there, S is there, S is there, small s this one. Okay, T is there, T is there, E is there, E is there, N is there. Consider in the string one, whatever the characters are there, then the string two, the same characters are available, correct? Then these both the strings are called to be anagrams. Called to be anagrams. When the characters of the both the strings are matching, the order may be different, but has to be present. Then we call the two strings are anagrams. Consider one more example. String 1. String 1 is rat. String 1 is rat. Okay, then second one is cat. Observe, A is matching, A is matching, T is matching, but R and C are both are different. Both are different. Both, that's why these are not anagrams. Not anagrams. Okay, now observe, take one more example. Okay, now see here, I am taking the first thing is A, B, C, D. Okay, the next one is D, C, B, A. Okay, D is there, D is there, C is there, C is there, B is there, B is there, A is there, A is there. Both are anagrams. Consider, suppose A, B, C, D. Here A, B, C, D. These both are anagrams? No. Why? Because this is capital A, this is small a. So both are not equal. That's why this is not anagram. In the anagrams, uppercase letters, lowercase letters also be considered. Not only this, suppose consider I am just giving A dot CD. Suppose you have DC dot A. These both also are anagrams only. Suppose here you don't have, you have something letter I. Then these both are not anagrams. Each character has to be same, but the order can be different. That is what anagram. Consider one more thing also we have here. Observe. Suppose see here we have A B C. The next one is A B C C. A is there, B is there, C is there, C is there. But yes, the one more word is not there. C can be duplicate. The duplicate also has to be present in the both the words. Okay, then we can call these two strings are anagrams. But here these two strings are not anagrams. Okay, this is without comparing the letters. Also we can tell the length of the first string, the length of the second string not equal. When the length of the first string and second string not equal, you can tell both are not anagrams. Okay, first way of checking is, first we need to check the length of a string. What is the first thing we have to check? Length of a string. Length of a strings. Okay, the next one is, suppose consider whatever we take in the example, listen, LISTEN, and the silent. Okay, consider. Now observe here, what will happen is, suppose if we compare letter by letter, SL not equal, then it is not possible. So you can do one thing. Okay, first thing what you have to do, you have to convert this word into the array, these words into the array of characters. How you can convert the word into the array of character means by using to-char array method, which is inbuilt method of string class. You can convert the string into the array. Now observe what will happen here. Two arrays will be created. Two arrays will be created. First one is listen Okay. Okay, what we can do, we can sort this two arrays, then we can compare array 1 equal to array no, that we can do, but it will take more time. Sorting of an arrays, then comparing, it will take more time. This the time complexity by using the sort method is 0 n log n, which is more time. This we can solve by using 0 n time also. This is time complexity. Okay, that's why I'm not doing the sort procedure here. What I'm doing here, observe, instead of that, there are 256 total characters in the ASCII. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm taking one array. First I'm taking one array which is the length of 256 characters, which is the length of 256 characters. See, every character, consider there is a, okay, capital A, there is, consider there is a capital A, the ASCII value of capital A is 65. When you are iterating character by character, this character will convert to the ASCII value. So what I am doing, suppose if the A is present at the index of 65, I am increasing the 0 to plus 1, 0 plus plus, so it is going to be increase 1, like that way. Okay, now what I am doing, I am taking here two arrays, both arrays of size 256. Okay, this is first array is to count the characters of silent, this is to listen. So what will happen, first here the wherever the s value will come, there will be 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0, like that it will get increase. So here also 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0. Now what we'll do, we'll compare these values, we'll compare two arrays whether the equal or not. Suppose here 1 is there, means here the character is present but the here character is not present. So that means whatever the character is present in the first string is missing in the second string, then we can tell it is not an anagram. When the two arrays comparison is done, there is no difference between the two arrays, then you can tell both are anagrams, both words are anagrams, because every character is matching. Okay, then we'll see how we are going to do this with the code. See here, there is a one method R anagrams. Okay, what we are doing, we are taking two words, string word 1, string word 2. First step is we are checking if word 1 dot length not equal to word 2 dot length, then we are going to return false. We are going to return false. Suppose if not, then what we have to do, first step is we need to convert to char array. Char ch1 equal to word 1 dot word 1 dot to char array, then char ch2 equal to word 2 dot to char array. Okay, ch1 contains the array of first word character, ch2 contains the word of second character. Now observe what I am doing, I am creating two new arrays, int count one array which is storing the characters count of the first word, okay, which is new int of 256 characters. Okay, next one, int count 2 equal to new int of 256 characters of length. Okay, now what I am doing, I am iterating. Okay, I am iterating from 0 index to which length? First I am iterating the ch1 or ch2, both are the same length. Any length you can iterate, I less than or equal to or less than ch1 dot length, sorry, ch1 dot length, then I plus plus. What we have to do here, what we have to do here, sorry, my mistake, my bad, I didn't give the array symbol. Okay, now observe here what we are going to do, we are going to increase count, we are going to increase count one array of index, which index, ch1 of I, this one we are going to increase plus plus. What here will going to be happen, suppose you consider the character A is there, count Okay, then here what is the ch1 of y? Consider a, capital A is there. Okay, then here plus plus. So this a will convert into the ASCII value, so it will become 65. The index 65th index will convert into the 0 to 1. Suppose if a contains second time 1 to 1 plus plus 2, it will convert. The same way, okay, the same way what we are going to do, we are going to increase the second array but with the character 2, eh, character 2 array. Okay, now observe here, this is the way here. Now the character, whatever these arrays are getting filled, now I need to compare this both the one. If any index is not matching, that means whatever the character of that index is not present in the first string, which is present in the second string, or not present in the second string, which is present in the first string. Now observe, for loop I am writing int always start with the 0 index. It has to go I less than count, or you can count 1 dot length, sorry, count 1 dot I less than count 1 dot length I plus plus, which is I am going to now see if count 1 of I not equal to count 2 of I. Suppose if the both values are different, I am directly returning false. Suppose this for loop got executed successfully. Anyway, this condition not satisfied. That means in the both the strings all the characters are equal. That's why I am returning true in the end. Suppose if this condition got not executed, if this condition not executed means all the checks are passed. That's why in the final I am returning the true. Now observe here, I took example whatever the title, listen and silent. If I run this one, see, true, because both the words are anagram. Suppose if I given here space, consider listen space, observe, it will come false. Why? Because this space character is not available here. Suppose if I given here somewhere space, now observe here, true. Even the space, full stop, comma, every character it will get considered. This is the way you need to check whether the two strings are anagram of each other or not. Okay, thanks for watching. If any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you.